Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I hope you're having a wonderful beginning of the week. I just did my haul and I feel like it was pretty good. We got a pretty good deal at CVS. So you could check it out if you haven't done so. But today we're gonna go inside and get prepared for the new ad already, the one that starts February 2nd to the 8th. And a shout out to How to Shop for Free and I Heart CVS for providing the ad and the pictures. So let's get started right into it. And the first thing we're going to see is the BOGO deals for the vitamins. If this is something that you like to get, try to pair those with some of those CRTs that will say vitamin, if this is something that you're in the lookout for. And then on the center we have a lot of products that has to be with Valentine's Day. Here is letting us know that we're going to be getting coupon at the extra care coupon center for the chocolates. The Hallmark cards is going to be spend 15 get 3, I believe is a Hallmark right there. And be on the lookout for any CRTs that has to do with Hallmark. Also, there is a printable for CVS. Go ahead and print that if you want to go ahead and buy them. But even this week there is also a great deal going on. And then right here, buy 2 get 10 rewards ECBs for selected designer fragrances. And then we continue to see that there's going to be great deals on some of the plush for Valentine's, which are so cute. And hopefully you have seen them in the stores. You just have to sometimes stop and look because it looks so romantic, I would think. On this section we have Colgate. It's going to be on special for $3.49. Buy one get 150, get $1.50. This is a limit of 2. And you will see that I already prepared the coupons that are coming on this same Sunday, February 2nd. And in fact, we are getting a $1 coupon for Colgate toothpaste. Then right underneath we have Garnier whole blends. We just got coupons on this Sunday's paper, deducting $4 off 2. So this one's going to be on special 247, and it says you're going to be getting an instant coupon. So just make sure you scan your card at the red box machine. That's going to give you a coupon of 2 off 2. And when you buy 2, you get 3. And then if you stack this deal with that coupon that we got this Sunday, guys, this is going to be free and it should be like $2 Moneymaker. So if we're able to use the coupon for the Garnier whole blends with the instant coupon from the machine and the ECB, then this should be free and Moneymaker. I just have to look more into that coupon. Oh my gosh, I used to eat these when I was younger. These are so pretty good. I haven't seen those in a long time. So we have candy there and chocolate, of course, and gift cards. There's no specials or ECB, but just letting you know that there's gift cards. Another great ways to just give a present. Right here, I'm interested in this section, Maybelline. It says you're going to be getting a coupon in the Extra Care Coupon Center, a mystery offer. So hopefully it's $3. This is buy 2 get 5. And on this Sunday's paper, we got some Maybelline coupons. So don't forget that I also do those best deal videos where I give you great scenarios to get you ready for the new deals, the new ad. And I also always include a printable, so that way it will make it easier for you. So once I get that and put all that together, I will let you know what the great deals may be for Maybelline. And then we move on here, McCafe, Javalia, and there's different type of coffee special for $4.99. And I know we're going to be getting a coupon for McCafe in that same Sunday's paper. So let's continue going down. Finally, right, let's just go to the second page. And right here it's letting us know that you're gonna get 5 ECB when you spend 20 on these products. There's many products that you could just mix and match, and the good thing is that we already know the prices. They're gonna be $4.99. Sadly, some of these coupons we did not see that we were able to clip on our CVS app, but here it's letting us know that some of them is going to send to cards. So hopefully there's going to be digitals to make these trip a lot easier, since a lot of these coupons are restricted or by region in the PNG insert. At least in my region we don't get Thai coupons, so it's letting us know that in the following week we should be seeing digital coupons. And the same for Downy and for all of these products mentioned here. So then going on more below, I'm excited for this too, since we got some of these coupons in the PNG. And this one's going to be buy one get one 50% off, and once you buy 15 you get back 5. So I'm excited for this. And then here, this one is total home household paper products or cleaners. Sometimes I'll be getting CRTs for those, and this one is going to be spend 15 get 5. So depending if this is will be a good deal, if you have those good CRTs, then it might be a good deal to be in the lookout for. On this section, spend 15 get 3 actually, and there's going to be more included on this list, more at the end of the ad. So then we see, of course, the regional or the seasonal section. Many products that are advertised that has to do with Valentine's. You start seeing the prices, the deals, that way you know exactly when to get them before Valentine's. And then we start seeing Cheerios. This is the family size, 2 for $7, and this is going to be a digital coupon. Also 2 for $5 for Quaker Oats. I believe we just got a coupon coming up, I believe, for the Quaker. And those are some of those food items. Then we go to the next page, and we continue to see the Lay's or the Doritos, buy one get one free, and sometimes we get CRTs for them. The same with the Oreos, we sometimes get CRTs for those too, and we just have to see if there's a coupon for that, so that will make it a really good time to get them. And then on the side we see any Ardell false lashes, eyelashes, spend 10 get 3, and Belvita, there's coupons. I believe if this printable are provided below of this video, and we could just check the app too. And I believe there was a cashback in Saving Star. But guys, don't worry, I would put all that information on those best deals, that way you don't miss out. Oh, real quick, this is 2 for $3. I know there's Pringles coupons. I believe that they came on this week, $1 for $1, deducting $1 off 4. Just to let you know in case you wanted to purchase those items. So here we see Olay. This is letting us know about the mail-in rebate, but it's also letting us know it's buy one get one 40% off. Cetaphil, buy one get one 50% off. Finally, Pixie is going to be 20% off regular retail. And we see these brands, they're very expensive, but yes, so well recommended by many dermatologists, and these are spend 30 get 10. If you have any CRTs for facial care, then it will help you bring down the total. L'Oreal facial care, spend 30 get 10. Sometimes I've been getting some of those great CRTs that will help bring down the total. And I'm excited for this section here, soft soap, liquid hand soap, or Irish Spring bar. This is a 3-pack, and you have to buy 4 to get 5. And this is 4 to get 5. And if you get by the 10, if you have a CRT for body wash, so it will deduct $2, but then you get back 5, making this I believe either $1 or 75 cents. So this might be a pretty good deal. I was checking, but I think that coupon that we did get, I think it would expire on the Saturday, so I just have to see if there's any other printables. Nivea, there is also coupons right now that are available to print for the lip care products. Any Rock facial care, spend 30 get 10, which is a different deal there. Then we have Nivea body wash, lotion, or cream, buy 2 get 5. There's coupons coming on, I believe it's March source, February 2nd, which you're going to see the video, so that way you can see the inside the insert that are coming for this week. And there's going to be coupons for lotion deducting $2. So if you buy the lotion at $4.99, using those coupons, so let's say you have a CRT for lotion, then this might come out to free, and $1 Moneymaker, depending if you have that $2 CRT for lotion. But if you have just the body wash, or that's what you want to buy, or you have the body wash CRT, then buy 2 for $5.99. The coupon for body wash is going to be $3 off 2, and use that CRT deducting 2 off 6. And after the 5 ECB, then it will be 99 cents for the body wash. That body wash is pretty good. Here we have the Irish Spring body wash also, if you want to use the CRT for body wash here instead. These are $3.99. You have to buy 3 to get 5, and using that 2 CRT, then this might come out to $1 or 75 cents each. This one's a Chic disposable. It says we're going to be getting a coupon deducting 7 off 2, and you spend 15 get 5, so this will be a good deal to be in the lookout. And also sometimes we get so many great CRTs for razors, so it all depends which one you did get. This section here is interesting. It says spend 15 get 5, and it says on all these products here, and it tells you more below here. It says Pantene foam conditioner. It does look very pretty. I saw it today when I was doing my haul. And then it tells you other products like Head and Shoulders, Supreme, or any hair care, which is the product you see here. And Head and Shoulder, also Pantene, and it's letting you know there's going to be digital coupons too. And also these came on the PNG as well. So, and then they're going to be buy one get one 40% off. So there should be a pretty good deal in that set. Then we have Tresemme. We have the two different Tresemme, 2 for 10, 2 for 9. There is coupons coming on also on the Sunday's paper, February 2nd. I did see them. And the coupons are, I believe, I didn't mark down which insert is going to be in, but you can go check out that video. You will see what the coupons would look like. But it will deduct $4 off 2. And just for buying 2, you will get 2. So we just have to see if we get any CRTs for that. Here, L'Oreal Hair Care, buy 2 get 4. I just did this a similar deal today, and it came out to free using a CRT. And then we have the oral section, different deals, buy 3 get 5. For the Oral-B Listerine is just going to be $6.99. Then we have Colgate, $3.99. We're also going to be getting coupons for the mouthwash and toothbrush, and it says it will be $3.99, and with the dollar will be $2.99, and you get back 2, making it just 99 cents. And we have other oral care deals shown in this page. And then right underneath we have all deodorant, Lady Speed Stick, buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 2 get 3, and it's a limit of 2. This one, the coupon is 50 cents, and once you buy 2 you get 3, so this might come out to probably around 99 cents. It all depends if you have a CRT for deodorant. This one I checked, but the coupon I believe expires on Saturday, so we won't be able to use it. But even just with the CRT, no coupons needed, this will come out to 99 cents unless you have a CRT for deodorant. Going down, Boost. I'm excited for this one because this is back. Buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 4 get 8. And on today, when I scanned my card, I did get CRTs for Boost. I finally got CRTs for Boost. And then if you use those coupons that came in the Retail Me Not in January 5th, deducting $5 off 2, buy 4, let's say around $9.49, depending on the price in your store. So once you buy 4, will be about $28, deducting all those coupons and CRT. And after the ECB, it should come out to probably about $1.62 each. So pretty good deal. And here, this is a good deal too. 2 for 20, buy 2 get 5. And if you have CRTs and the coupon that they came in the PNG, will be a great time to stock up on Pampers too. Here, Pedialyte 2 for 11, buy 2 get 2. So sometimes when you have babies, that is a must, and that could be expensive, so that looks like a good price. And then we continue with, there's a lot of coupons. You see there's a lot of coupons coming for Renew and Sustain, which I did see when I was doing the video for the insert preview. Once again, we see Playtex Carefree, buy 1 get 1 50% off, spend 12 get 3. And a lot of deals for Claritin and a lot of coupons coming for Claritin. I did see for Halls, we're going to be getting a coupon for $1.25, and it's going to be 2 for 4. And we continue with some of these deals, but it's not showing any coupons. I love these vitamins, but this one you need to spend 20 to get 6. And there is a coupon that came in a few weeks back, deducting $3, so I'll see if that's a good deal. Usually when I have done this deals, because there's also an Ibotta cashback offer, I haven't seen any in a while, so I will have to check that out during the week while I do that video. I'm excited for this one because finally I went to a store today that had new products for CoverGirl, and this is one of those, and spend 14 get 7, so this is a pretty good deal here. If you're able to buy the mascara and let's say that brow pencil, you will reach the $14. That will be $13.98. The coupons that came on this Sunday's paper this Sunday, and also there's printables, so I'm going to provide them below, guys. If you want to print those coupons, they're $3 off face, $3 for mascara for eye product, So using those coupons, you will pay $7.98 and you get back 7, and it will come out to 49 cents each. But if you have the Cosmetic CRT, then this will be $2 Moneymaker. That's just a quick deal idea that I just put together to show you that if you have any CRTs or you want to print these coupons, go ahead and do so. So then you'll be ready when the ad begins. L'Oreal Cosmetics, spend 15, get 5. Physicians Formula, buy 1 get 1 50% off. Almay is going to be back on special, spend 12 get 4, and we're going to be getting a mystery offer. Yes, I'm excited because that coupon will expire. I don't know if it's going to expire that Sunday, but if it expires on Sunday, there will be a good deal. If it expires on Saturday, I will see what I could come up with that will make it a great deal. Garnier, buy 2 get 5. And then these are a continuation from the other ones I shared, that is spend 15 get 3, and this includes Persil, Scott, and Huggies is also included on this deal. And I think this is the end of the ad. And Eucerin and Aquaphor, I noticed that the coupons for these are very limited. Before we will get 3 for Eucerin and 3 for Aquaphor. This one you will see that is a lot shorter, the options. So we have to see which one could be the best one for a great deal. But it's still pretty good. Spend 20 get 10. All we are getting a coupon for $1, and so this will make it $1.99. And Neutrogena facial care is back. Spend 30 get 10. So guys, there's many great deals. Gillette, I just did a Gillette deal. It was buy 2 get 8, the one that's going on this week. If you haven't done so and you have CRTs for razor, it came out to free and Moneymakers, so you could check it out and take advantage during this week, or you could hold on to this week. But as you see, instead of getting 8, you're gonna get $6. So this is why it's also good to see the ad. That way you'll know if you have a good CRT, if you want to take advantage and do it for the ad that's happening right now, or hold on to it for the following ad. So that's good to see it so ahead of time. So guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week and getting ready for the weekend, which is so many days away. But it's always good to prepare our list, have it all ready, so then you have the rest of the week to do other things as needed. So guys, thank you so much for spending some of the time with me, and until the next video, bye.